I'm Judy with the PQP Stitch Club, where spring is in the air. After a long cold winter, the season of renewal begins a welcome sense of lightness. It's time to clear away the winter blues and replace them with some vibrant thoughts of budding blooms. For instance, Darci Schipnewski's Attic Baskets inspires a treasure hunt for the perfect basket to hold the flowers you'll soon gather. Jeni Gaston's hooked rug, Watering the Blooms, captures the charm of young buds and a watering can while bluebirds pause for a refreshing sip. Lisa Burman's striking quilt, In the Garden, offers a quick and easy method to achieve the look of intricate piecing. And do you feel a little adventurous? Because spring is the perfect time to try something new. Explore the art of twilling with Deanna Hodson's Irish Spring. We hope you enjoy these creative projects. Be sure to share your finished pieces with us. We love seeing your work. Here's to cultivating friendship, warmth, and most of all, the joy of creating together. See ya!